I love macro lenses for phones. I don't love how close that you have to get to your subject to use them. If you've followed this channel for a while now, then you know that I've tested the Moment and Sandmarc 10x macro lenses head to head. While I was impressed with both macro offerings, they both had the same shortcomings. Firstly, you have to get super close to your subject, which casts some harsh shadows. Secondly, the focus plane on both is super narrow, which makes a large portion of your photo or video out of focus. When I was contacted by Apexel to test their 100mm macro, I was super intrigued because supposedly it doesn't have these issues. So, let's see what this thing can do. Yo, 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 it's Joe from Photos with Phones. Today we're here to test the universal clip-on 100mm super macro lens from Apexel. That's definitely a mouthful though, so for the remainder of this video, I'll just call it the Apexel Macro Lens. According to Apexel's website, this thing should work with 98% of mobile phones. Today, we're going to test it on my iPhone 11 Pro and my Google Pixel 4a with 5G to see just how legit that claim is. Now, it is worth noting that because this thing has a threaded mount, I'm screwing it into the BeastGrip mount for Sandmarc lenses because it's just allowing me to be a little bit more efficient in my testing. I'm also going to compare Apexel's macro lens with the Sandmarc 10x macro lens because the 10x macro lens that Sandmarc makes is kind of like the industry standard for mobile macro lenses. All that being said, let's do some smartphone macro photography. Macro photography is, simply put, taking photos of super small things. I'd give you a more thorough definition, but I already did that in this video. Watch it and come back. We'll wait. And you're back. Great, we'll go ahead and continue. Macro is perfect for flowers, textures, or branding. Really, anything the size of your fingernail. So, today I'm here in Colonial Williamsburg where they pay a lot of money for landscaping to take advantage of all of the potential macro subjects. Alrighty, let's hop on into the camera and see what this baby can do. I'm going to use the BeastCam Pro camera app for BeastGrip to take my photos this morning for a few reasons. Number one is that I can get a gauge of the Apexel macro lens's working distance by setting the focus at 0. Number two is that I can shoot in a RAW file format on my iPhone 11 Pro, which is going to give me more editing power in post-production. And finally, reason number three is that I can plug this video about the BeastCam Pro camera app. That was a joke. But seriously, I use the BeastGrip Pro camera app to record all of the YouTube videos for this channel. I love it, I swear by it, check it out. For comparison, I have brought my Sandmarc 10x macro lens with me this morning. I'll take a few photos with it so that you can see how it compares to the Apexel Macro Lens. I'm choosing to show you what the Sandmarc 10x macro lens can do because it's kind of an industry standard as far as technical specs are concerned. The Apexel Macro Lens is available for purchase on Apexel's website or via the link in this video's description. It's just right down there. If you like what you've seen in this video and you're interested in purchasing this lens, please do purchase it through my link, as the nominal compensation that I receive helps me make more videos just like this one. That's all we got for you. If you feel like you got value from this video, then go ahead and hit the like button down there. It really helps Photos with Phones out a lot because it forces YouTube to show our videos to other people. Because of the algorithm. Comment below and let me know your thoughts about the Apexel Macro Lens. How do you think it compares with Moment and Sandmarc's macro lenses? If you haven't seen that video, you should check it out in the top right hand. Also, I got a new microphone. Comment below if you want to see this $230 Rode Video Mic Pro compared with the $37 Neweer microphone that I've used for the whole life of this channel. And as always, subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell. We're coming out with twice weekly mobile photography and filmmaking, tips, tricks, hacks, reviews, and unboxings. Anything you could want to know if you like taking photos and videos on your phone. Toodles. See you in the next one. Bye.